Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect manually to a proxy server on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop traditional computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best results should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the network and internet tile. And now that we are over here, select the proxy button on the left side, and then scrolling down, you can set up use a proxy server, and then type in your address, port, and then once you're done, select save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.